I'm Jafar Naqvi, one of the coordinators of this program. Idea behind this Agritech and FoodX is a very unique idea. We used to have exhibitions of farmers where farmers will come and we'll try to sell things to the farmers. On the other hand, we used to have exhibitions for food where we'll try to promote only the food. But this exhibition we have joined the two, where the farmers can produce what the industry requires and industry can directly source from farmers. So in a way, this is truly a B2B connection between farmers and between the food processors, grain tech industry. Like what kind of atta we required, we need a special grain, but who is the farmer growing it? So that's the reason we thought that there must be an exhibition where farmers will directly interact with the industry so that world-class produce can be grown in India and exported for the world market to make India a truly food Vishwaguru. So this is an exhibition in 16th years. The program started 16 years back in Bangalore and it has been increasing every year. This year we have different products from over 300 companies connected to food processing sector and about 250 companies products connected to agricultural technologies and modernization of agriculture, whether it's a dairy, whether it's poultry, whether it's commercial floriculture or hydroponic, all kind of products are on display. So it's a place, if you want to start your agri-business startup, this is the place to be. Please come 1st to 3rd August at BIEC. We welcome all farmers and the entry is free for everybody. The exhibition has been growing everywhere, which speaks about its output in terms that there are many farmers who have been coming here who come with a dream and then start their project. Those small farmers who started with some like 1,000 square meter floriculture farm have now become 50-acre farms and they are growing. On the other hand, there are many people who started something small like samosa and they are doing a big business. So it's a kind of a concept where we teach the farmers and young entrepreneurs that agri business is the future business and you can come all join us. So all kind of technology are available here.
This is Suresh here from Hyderabad. We are representing Just One Candy based in Hyderabad and we are an 8 years old brand. We have come to participate in Bangalore International Exhibition Center in FoodX 2025 for appointing distributors and spreading our network in Bangalore and Karnataka and South India market, as well as we are looking forward to have some exporters. And since it is an 8 years old brand, it's one of the top quality brand in India, and we are also looking forward for more products like premium jellies and mouth fresheners, digestives and healthy seeds and dry fruits. And we have our own state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Hyderabad, which is just here. And apart from this, we are also looking for 20 plus flavors what we have. We are going to introduce 5 to 10 more flavors in that. And this is going to be our first experience in Bangalore FoodX.